As time goes by, houses get dirty and you notice dirt and humidity stains. Rain causes damage and mold and mildew appear. You can't clean all this with a hose, and pressure washers cost a fortune. We have the solution, and it's WaterZoom Max, the amazing multi-action cleaning system that scrubs and pressure washes. Simply connect WaterZoom Max to your garden hose and open the tap. You'll be cleaning like a pro. The secret lies in the combination of a powerful brush with 16 high-pressure water jets that'll make it very easy to clean any surface. Watch closely. As thousands of cleaning bristles remove the dirt, the 16 independent water jets wash and clean any kind of dirt, as if by magic. You'll deep clean the outside of your house and get rid of mold and mildew that have built up for months in the stucco. You'll be able to deep clean brick walls, stone floors, tiles, cladding tiles, even concrete. And since WaterZoom Max has a telescopic handle, you'll be able to reach high places easily. You'll get spectacular results. And it has a built-in squeegee for window cleaning, so you can use it to wash windows and they'll look perfect. Plus, it comes with 2 pressure sprayer heads. Just change the brush for the sprayer and it will instantly become a powerful and effective cleaner. You can use the wide sprayer head for general cleaning and the concentrated sprayer head to clean into tight places. Sprayers are perfect to clean bicycles, patio tiles, garden furniture, patio stairs, motorcycles, the edge of the pool. WaterZoom Max is the amazing multi-action cleaning system that scrubs and pressure washes at the same time. So what are you waiting for? Order yours today.